Ambulance, trambulance, slambulance, flambulance.
We've been here for 15 hours. I'm starting to lose my rhyming powers.
But it's baby CPR.
We must make it rhyme.
So when a baby stops breathing, it's remembered in time.
Yes, we'll find a way. We just need to say, call an ambulance. Give 5 puffs over mouth and nose and 30 pumps to the chest. Then keep repeating 2 puffs and 30 pumps until the ambulance comes. Crumbs.
Oh, if we can rhyme Muffet with Tuffet, we can rhyme ambulance with...
Nothing. It rhymes with nothing.
Don't be absurd. Ambulance rhymes with billions of words.
Ambulance, samba dance, ambulance, Bambi stance.
Hold on a tick. Somebody, pass me that guitar, quick! Baby CPR is crucial to know. There's a few simple steps, so here we go.
Get to a phone.
Don't take a chance.
First you must call an ambulance.
But while you wait for the ambulance to arrive, here are some tips to help your baby survive.
Place your baby on a nice flat surface and tilt their head back. Don't be nervous. Oh.
Give 5 puffs over the mouth and nose. Not sure what we mean? Well, here's how it goes.
1 puff, 2 puffs, 3 puffs and 4. 5 is enough, don't puff anymore.
Place 2 fingers upon the chest and pump 30 times, no more, no less.
Puff, puff, and 30 more pumps. Repeat this until the ambulance comes. Puff, puff, and 30 more pumps. Repeat this until the ambulance comes.
Gosh, that was fun.
And full of information.
Our work here is done.
Oh, I need a vacation. Terrific song, though.